The YouTube automation space is filled with misleading information. Everyone talks about ad revenue. Nobody shows you the method that pays 10x more. I've made over $150,000 through affiliate marketing with this small channel. Most creators don't talk about this. 8 niches today. 4 of them make more from affiliate than ads. I'll show you which ones, exactly how much. Links to everything in the description. Let's go. Niche #1, Sleep and Relaxation Science. Sleepy Science channel. Started July 2025. 207,000 subscribers, millions of views monthly, hour-long videos, slow narration, space facts, ocean facts. People play them all night, loop them, fall asleep to them. RPM is only $3 to $7. Lowest on this list, here's the proof, $100,000 in 5 months. I'm showing you real data from NexLev throughout this video. Channels in this niche hitting $7 RPM, try NexLev free, or use code HARVEST for 20% off for life. Link in description, back to sleep science. Watch time is insane here. One video gets watched for 60 minutes. That's 10x more than a 6-minute video. Low RPM times massive watch time equals strong revenue. This is niche 1 of 8, all easily $100,000 plus, ordered lowest to highest paying. By the end, you'll know all 8. Plus, which 4 make more from affiliate than ads? Make an hour-long video about the solar system, narrate it slowly, or deep ocean creatures, or how the brain works during sleep. ChatGPT writes the script, ElevenLabs narrates, slow and calming. 1 looping background, minimal editing, Pictory can handle it. Search sleep stories on YouTube, videos with hundreds of thousands of views, channels under 100,000 subs crushing it. But the next niche, completely opposite. Fast, chaotic, drama-fueled. Niche #2, YouTube drama and commentary, internet anarchist, millions of views monthly, all faceless, breaking down creator scandals, internet mysteries. What happened to this channel? RPM is $3 to $8, still low, but growth is fast. $120,000 in 2 months. Catch a story early, massive views in 24 hours. Search any recent YouTube controversy. Multiple videos pulling 250K views in days. Small channels getting traction. Make a video about the latest creator scandal. That's your format. ChatGPT researches the timeline. Pictory edits clips together. You're a news channel for internet culture. But here's the catch. You can't take breaks. Drama never stops. If you disappear, the niche moves without you. It's active, stressful, but if you like fast content, this works. Now here's a niche that's the opposite. Slow, evergreen, timeless. Niche #3, history documentaries. History documentaries. Makes over $100,000. Entire history documentaries. 200 million total views. Videos are 4 to 6 hours long. Wars, empires, collapses. RPM is $5 to $10. NexLev shows history channels hitting $8 RPM, better than the last 2. Education content, US and UK audiences, older viewers. Search history of anything on YouTube. Recent uploads getting hundreds of thousands of views. People binge history. One video leads to another. Make a video about the fall of Rome. That's your first upload. ChatGPT researches. You organize the timeline. Stock footage from Pexels and Pixabay. Free. Add a vignette filter, instant documentary feel. ElevenLabs does voiceover, deep and slow. These videos age incredibly well. A video about ancient Egypt, still getting views in 5 years, passive income forever. But the next niche, even more personal, even more addictive. Niche #4, psychology and human behavior, pursuit of wonder. Millions of views monthly, voiceover and ideas. Ad RPM for the niche is $6 to $12. NexLev shows psychology channels hitting $6 RPM. But top creators aren't just making ad money. Therapy platforms pay $100 to $150 per sign up. 1 video, 3,000 views, 1 sale. That's $120 in affiliate commission. Let me break down the effective RPM. $120 divided by 3,000 views. That's $40 per 1,000 views from affiliate. Add your $6 at RPM, you're at $46 total. That's effective RPM, ad revenue plus affiliate. Search, why do people procrastinate on YouTube? Multiple videos, over 1 million views. The audience is everyone. We all want to understand ourselves. Make a video about why we procrastinate, that's your first topic, or imposter syndrome, fear of failure, chasing validation. When the video feels personal, people watch longer. ChatGPT writes the script, simple B-roll from Pictory, thumbnail from Pixels, ElevenLabs does voiceover. You're explaining people to themselves, that's the hook. Next niche, same high engagement, business-minded, premium advertisers. Niche #5, economic documentaries, economics explained, go to the niche. 1.6 million views monthly, $20,000 per month from ads, all faceless. Charts, graphs, stock footage, 20-minute university, 1 lecture style video, 1.6 million views, brand new channel, ad RPM is $5 to $12. But this is what smart economics channels do. Ad revenue plus newsletter commissions. Finance tools pay $50 to $300 or more per subscriber, recurring every single month. One sale per 2,000 views, that's $150 in affiliate. Spread that over 2,000 views, that's $75 per thousand from affiliate. Add your $10 ad RPM, effective RPM jumps to $85. Search why countries fail economically on YouTube. Videos getting hundreds of thousands of views. People want to understand money and power. Make a video about why a country's economy collapsed. That's the format. ChatGPT researches. You structure the story like a movie. Stock charts from free sources. Pictory builds the video. These videos are evergreen. 2008 crisis breakdown. Still relevant today. Passive income for years. If this is clicking for you, hit that like button. Comment which niche you're choosing. Subscribe so you catch the affiliate breakdown coming next. All right, let's keep going. Niche Nurse 6, luxury and wealth, life, wealth, and more. 4 million views monthly, celebrity net worths, expensive houses, private jets, billionaire lifestyles. RPM is $5 to $15. This channel hits $100,000 every 4 months. Why? Spending intent. Luxury brands advertise here, real estate platforms, investment tools, search celebrity net worth on YouTube, videos with millions of views, small channels winning. The format repeats forever. Pick a celebrity, research their wealth, show what they own, intro, how they got rich, what they bought, lifestyle breakdown. You're not making complex videos, you're packaging curiosity. ChatGPT writes the research. Pictory pulls clips and images, simple production, strong results. Now we're getting into the top tier niches. Next one, exploding right now. Niche 7, AI and automation, 2-minute papers, $6,000 per month from ads. AI Revolution, over 500,000 subscribers, $10,000 plus per month. Isaac, only 6 videos, 179,000 subscribers. Ad RPM is $5 to $20 plus. NexLev shows AI channels hitting $10 RPM, but AI tools pay you twice. Ad revenue first, then $10 to $300 every month when that person buys a tool. One sale per 1,500 views. That's $150 in affiliate money. Spread that over 1,500 views, that's $100 per thousand from affiliate sales. Add your $10 at RPM. Effective RPM jumps to $110. Small creators like me make more from one tool than a whole video's ad revenue. Search AI tools on YouTube, sort by most viewed. Small channels getting thousands of views. Make a video showing how to use ChatGPT to make money. That's your first upload. Test a tool, show the results, break down the process. ChatGPT writes your script. Pictory makes the video. You're teaching AI while using AI. That's the irony. 10x income, 337,000 subscribers, 77 videos, $9 per thousand views on viral hits. But there's one niche that beats even this. The king, niche number 8, personal finance. The money printer, Nick Invests. Started a few months ago, completely faceless. Millions of views monthly, simple animated explanations. Revenue estimate, over $20,000 per month. From ads alone, ad RPM is about 15s, perhaps the highest on YouTube. But finance is king for a reason. Brokerage apps pay up to $1,000 per funded account. One sale per 4,000 views. That's $500 in affiliate. Spread that over 1,000 views. That's $125 per thousand from affiliate sales. Add your $15 at RPM. Effective RPM jumps to $140. One good video can make thousands in affiliate income alone. Humphrey Yang, 12 million views monthly, $16,000 per month. Search how to save money on YouTube, filter by last 30 days, videos getting 100,000 views from new channels. Make a video explaining how to save your first $10,000. That's it. Or habits of millionaires. Money mistakes to avoid. ChatGPT writes the script, Pictory makes it visual. Even 100,000 views here makes you $1,500 to $3,000 from ads. Ad affiliate, 10 times that. Topics never end. Budgeting, investing, debt, passive income, and the best part, you're teaching people to make money while you're making money. Let me break down those 4 niches again. Psychology, economics, AI, finance. This is what top creators do. This is how I made $150,000. Psychology, therapy platforms, $100 to $150 per sign up. One sale per 3,000 views. Effective RPM jumps from $6 to $46. Economics, finance tools and newsletters, $500 per subscriber. One sale per 2,000 views. Effective RPM jumps from $10 to $260. AI, SaaS tools, $10 to $300 per month per referral, recurring, one sale per 2,500 views. Effective RPM jumps from $15 to $215. Finance, brokerage apps, $10 to $1,000 per funded account. That's not a typo. One sale per 4,000 views. Effective RPM jumps from $20 to $270 per 1,000 views. This is why smart creators focus here. Double income streams. Ad revenue is nice, affiliate makes you rich. 8 niches, lowest to highest RPM. Niche 1, sleep science, $3 to $7 RPM. Massive watch time. Niche 2, drama, $4 to $8 RPM, fast growth. Niche 3, history, $5 to $10 RPM, evergreen. Niche 4, psychology, $6 to $12 at RPM, $46 effective RPM with affiliate. Niche 5, economics, $7 to $12 at RPM, 260 effective RPM with affiliate. Niche 6, luxury, $8 to $15 RPM, curiosity driven. Niche 7, AI, $10 to $20 at RPM, $215 effective RPM with affiliate. Niche 8, finance, $15 to $30 at RPM, $270 effective RPM with affiliate. You saw yourselves, all validated. Real channels making real money. Here's your toolkit. ChatGPT writes scripts, researches topics, generates ideas. Pictory turns scripts into videos automatically. ElevenLabs clones your voice or generates pro voiceover. Pixels creates click-optimized thumbnails and titles. Pick one niche, search it on YouTube, validate demand, make your first video today. 8 niches, all making $100,000 plus. By the way, all that data, that's from NexLev. Try it free, or use code HARVEST for 20% off for life. Quick disclaimer, everything here is educational. I can't promise you'll hit $100,000. I can't guarantee anything. All I can do is show you what worked for me and what's working for high-earning YouTubers. Your results depend on your work. If you're serious about YouTube, I have a free Udemy course. How to make YouTube automation videos in 20 minutes using AI. Link in the description, completely free. I earn affiliate commission when you try Pictory or NexLev using my links. That's how I made $150,000. Some links here are affiliate links, no extra cost to you. If this helped, smash that like button. Comment your niche choice, subscribe. I break down what's working every week. Your move.